Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Nexiview 12 by 50 HD binoculars for adults and 3 things you need to know. Thing number 1, this is good for use in low light situations. So if you like to bird watch early of a morning or you're looking, there's deer in the area or something, it's not a whole lot of light, that's good to have. Thing number 2, this includes a tabletop tripod so that you can have a little less blur, especially if you want to connect your smartphone to this, and there is supplied brackets so that you can position the camera lens on your smartphone on top of this and take pictures with it. So it's going to help all that, avoid that kind of blur, which is kind of slipping into thing number 3, and that's a bracket to put all this together. So it comes as pretty much a complete set. Now, to explain the 12 by 50, it's 12 times magnification. These are 50 millimeter lenses up front, which are pretty much what you'll find on a lot of the professional level stuff. But this is, if this is your first pair of binoculars, you're going to get along with it as well. There's a good case you see in the background that comes with it, which I would have not expected. Normally, only when you get into your very expensive binoculars do you have that. And there's also a strap that you can put on the binoculars so that you don't have to worry about carrying them or finding a safe place to setting them down and picking them back up. And I've gone well over the 3 things, so I think you can see this is something that you probably want to look into. And even if you're not into bird watching or animal watching or stargazing, this is a good way to get started, and it's going to be easy to do. That you may buy several pairs for other family members so you don't have to share. Anyway, take a look at this. I think you'll be very happy with it, and see about getting some ordered today.